Hi lovers, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say that I hope everybody's being safe out there, taking care of themselves, not taking this lightly, but not taking it too serious where you're out buying everything, like buy necessities, but don't be crazy, because some of us that are not going crazy need necessities. So just buy the necessities, maybe like if you are worried, just buy a little extra, but don't go crazy, guys. Come on, like we need to help each other out. This has gone way too far. It's gone way too ugly. Like, yes, this is serious, but let's help each other out. But anyways, on a lighter note, again, I hope everybody's staying safe. I hope everyone's getting through this as best possible. So I thought I'd film this video. Just to lighten things up and just to have a little fun. I haven't played with makeup in a really long time. I've mainly just been doing vlogs, so I wanted to get better at doing makeup. So I thought today we could do a numbers challenge, and I'm so excited because I've been wanting to do this video for a while, but with everything going on, just time hasn't really been on my side. But I guess now time's on my side and I can sit here and film with you guys. But anyways, this is why I look crazy, because I wanted it to be a surprise and I want to see what we come up with. So let's jump into the video and start picking out our palettes and picking our numbers. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to lay out all my palettes, and then we're going to pick numbers from a cup. This cup that my baby got for her birthday from one of her best friends, Melanie. And I thought it was super cute cup, super rainbow, and there's some numbers in there. So yeah, so I'm just gonna lay out all my palettes on the floor. We're gonna pick a number, see which palette we get, and then we're also gonna pick the numbers of each palette. So let's jump into the video. All right, so I added 12 in the cup because I miscounted. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. All right. So let's pick a number and see which palette. And then this palette and this palette are all shimmers, so I hope I don't get one of those. But let's go. And wait. And we got 8. So one is 8, and it's the 35M. Oh shoot. And it's this palette. I was hoping to get one with brighter colors, but oh well. This is for fun. All right, guys. So I already got this palette. It's the 35M palette, and it was actually on my giveaway, and it's like this. So from my view, we're going to be going from this way, that way. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so forth. And there's 35 colors in this palette. So let's go ahead and start picking our numbers. All right. I've already done all 35 numbers. All right, let's shake it up good. All right. So, and we're only picking 3. So I have to make the best look I could make with just the 3 colors. And hopefully it turns out to something cute. So the first number is 9. 9. So it is this mauve color right here. That's going to be 9. So we have a matte color. Let's hope for a shimmer and a prettier color that goes with it. Ugh. Next we have, 19. So that's gonna be 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Ooh, well. So it's going to be this purple right here is 19. So as far we have these 2 colors. So one more color. Oh, give me a good color, give me a good color. All right. 8. We got the number 8, so it's this orange right here. I think I can work with that. Hopefully something cute. All right, so I'm gonna start with priming my eyes. And we're just going to put my primer all over my eyelids. All right, let's jump into this look. So I'm going to use that Only Matte Orange as my transition. So I'm going to use a fluffy brush and I'm gonna dip into that orange that we got. It's like a burnt orange kind of. And we're gonna lightly use it as our transition color, just to get a good transition. Okay, we're gonna build the color, because honestly I don't even think I've ever used this color. I'm not too sure. We're going to get a packing brush. I still don't know what I want to do. We're gonna get a packing brush and then we're going to put I'm gonna pack it on the outside. All right, then with the same blending brush we're just gonna soften the edges. And then pull it out. But so we're kind of making it look like it's 2 colors. So we have that soft color and then we have the darker color. But we're just trying to soften the edge. All right, now I'm gonna clean up my crease with more of a white concealer. This is a Milani one, but it's pretty white. It's light nude. We're gonna clean it up. I have a little brush here. And then we're kind of gonna fade it into all right, now we're gonna dip into the purple. We're gonna use this flat brush to try to pack on the color. I'm gonna use my finger just to give it more of a pigment. Now with that same blending brush, we're gonna dip into that orange again and kind of just like blend everything together. Maybe I should have picked 4 colors. Oh well, we'll see how it looks with everything together. All right. Now the orange, I think I'm going to, I think I'm gonna use it in my inner corner and also like an under eye liner. And this angled brush from Morphe, it doesn't have a name or number, just from Morphe, the little liner brush has been like my best friend since I've gotten it. Because it makes everything so clean and pretty, and like if you don't want that thick of a wing, then like you can literally build it up or whatever you need to do to get the wing of your choice. All right, so we're gonna get like a small dome fluffy brush, and I'm gonna dip into that mauve orange, and I'm gonna go under, and then I'm gonna top it off with that shimmer orange. I'm going to use this one to dip into that orange, and I'm gonna pack it on because I really want the shimmer color to come out. So we're gonna do everything else off camera, and let's see how everything came together, and hopefully we get a good look, because I'm not too convinced, but hopefully lashes make everything better. And yeah, we'll see how everything goes. All right, lovers, this is the final look. I'm obsessed. I think it came together. It was fun doing this numbers challenge because I think it took me out of my element in trying new combinations, things that I wouldn't normally put together. So if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't become a lover already. And let me know down below what you guys thought. Did you like my numbers challenge? Do you want to see more number challenges? Because I have a lot of palettes that I need to touch or need to freaking use, so I feel like it would get me in the creative mood again. Or just let me know your feedback. Let me know how you are liking my channel. But yeah, just let me know what you guys think about this numbers look, if you were feeling it. Other than that, thank you guys for joining me on today's video. I love you guys so much. Stay safe out there. Wash your hands, which I need to because I've got some black paint on it. Wash your hands. Be safe. Stay home. Take care of your family. Whatever you need to do just to stay safe. We will all get through this. I promise you. Let's just keep everyone out there safe. Keep each other safe. Love each other. And come on, guys. We need to come together as a community. If you're in El Paso, let's be a community and help each other out if we need, like the toilet paper situation. Let's get it together, guys. Come on, you don't need that much toilet paper. We will get through all of this if we just stand together and be one. Like, be a human race. Be kind. Like, seriously, just be kind. You don't need all those products. Like, I understand it's scary, but I promise you, in the end, we will help each other get through everything. Again, I love you guys, and stay safe.